Hey guys, Cody Hickman here, 360 Catering and Events. Love to see you here again. We got a real easy one for you today. It's dried apricot day. So what we're going to do is do a little dried apricots with a goat cheese, crushed almonds, maple syrup, and a little chiffonade of basil, fresh basil. Chiffonade is just a really fancy way of saying slicing them very thin. So no big deal on that. Easy to remember. So let's go ahead and put our goat cheese in here. Our almonds. And just a little bit of the maple syrup right now. We can always add more in. You can't take any out once you've done this. So we're just going to blend it all together. And like I said, this is a real easy one. This is a good one to have in your back pocket when you have those dinner guests coming over and you're like, oh God, what are we going to do? It's also fairly healthy with your goat cheese and your apricots. The honey gives a little, the maple syrup gives you a little bit of some sugar, but just an absolutely wonderful way of doing things. I'm going to shape it in a little bit of a ball here. Don't want to put too much on one. I'm just going to put it on your plate. Whatever you're going to serve on. I think always the prettier the plate, the better the vessel to showcase your food talents. And if you're wondering what's going on behind us, we've got a wonderful 3-bean soup that we're doing for a little party we got going on later on. It smells absolutely amazing. And so we've got the last one here. Get this out of the way. And so we're going to add the little chiffonade here. A little on each one. Give it a little color. I think this is the perfect way to start a meal. That one got away from me a little bit. That's okay though. So again, we got your wonderful dried apricot canapes with goat cheese, crushed almonds, maple syrup, and a little fresh basil. Always does the trick. Again, we can get your recipes off our 360 Catering and Events website. Please enjoy and have fun.